What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're gonna be doing an inspection on the rear end. So I had a buddy come over and tune it for me because I messed up the tune on it, an accident. I did a baby launch from a dead stop, and I heard of this big ass loud noise coming from the rear end, and I kind of figured that the diff broke because the CRV diffs are really weak from launches. So I already had a feeling that the diff was gonna be bad on it. So we came, tuned it out, did a fucking pull, and next thing you know, it's front wheel drive. I'll add the clip, I'll insert a clip somewhere, and it was just front wheel drive, just spinning. He came back and he's like, no, the diff actually broke. Then there was another day, I took it out to go see what was wrong with it, if the diff was actually broken. So I took it out for a cruise with one of my buddies and did a fat pull on it, third gear pull, front wheel drive, and it's broke. Axle left the chat. So I'm gonna be taking it apart, taking the diff apart, because I got a new part for it. So these are the parts. So same CRV diff, but I got the S1 billet clutch pack block, I should say, from S1 built. So I'm gonna be installing that into here. I'll be showing a video of me taking it apart, taking the pump out, and installing that with it. Alright, I'm gonna be jacking up the car, taking the wheels off, and inspecting the diff and pulling out the axle. First, what you do to one side, you do to the other. Okay, let's see the damage. Let's see. Well, I got grease all over, as you guys can see. Hey, grease. Under this axle. That looks good. Well, of course, the axle left the chat. We're gonna be taking it apart. These axles are from PF7, I think. They're supposedly 1,000 horsepower axles, but apparently not. They broke. Alright, we're gonna start off by removing the axle nut. Axle nut. Now we're gonna start removing the control arm. Got a lot of cleaning down here to do. good. A lot of cleaning to do. Let's see. That's done. Let's go 14. Nope. I worked on this car so many damn times, and it's like I don't remember what freaking sock is. Damn socket size they are. Crazy. Bitch. That's that. And this is a S1 trailer arms. You can see S1 trailer arms. And then I got PCI toe adjustments. And then Skunk 2 racing camera kits. And then Skunk 2 Pro Series drag spec. And all S1 billet arms until lights low bright, billet arms and billet lower LCAs, and then the S1. It's a little dark on this side, but working with what we have going on. So now I just got to drain the fluid off the diff, see how bad it is. I'm gonna go get my catch pan. And we should go on from there. So I usually use a lot of containers to see what the diff looks like, the fluids after. Let's see. The fluid looks clean, not too dirty. I don't see no signs of wear or metal shavings. Well, we'll see what's next, I guess. Let's see what we got going on. Nice. Here's the other part. Here's this. Wonder. This is the brand I was talking about. There, PF7 axles. Nice. Fuck yeah. Now to inspect the differential. It's the last one. Here's the drive line. S1 built drive line. We're about to find out. Look at that. Gear's all broken. And then I'll go show you this, the stock one. Let's see. Yeah, diff is done. This all S1 built all swell, but we're about to take it apart and inspect what's wrong with it. This stuff. Another right here. The looks of it, everything in the gearing and the web gears look fine. I don't know how it snapped an axle. It's a 34 mil. Let me get this side. There she is. See what's the carnage going on here. Sounds good. I don't know what happened to it. Looks like a rock, but the shaft is welded. Dude, I do not see anything. This might have just been a fucking axle that was damaged, but don't want to really risk it putting it back and it does the same shit. So I'm just gonna be putting that block into that and taking the pumps that I don't need off of it, and then go from there. Alrighty, we're gonna be taking it apart. This is the old CRV Diff that I had. I'm gonna be taking it apart and putting it in the block. And let's get to it. Right there is a wrap of that installation. So now I'm adding the diff fluid on. It takes 1.5 quarts. So this is a half. I already have one in there. I'm gonna be doing the second one. Yeah, I don't have the proper fucking tools to do it. I'm too cheap to buy a pumper. I have one, but fuck that. I want to get it out. Just to pour some fluid in here. So when it starts leaking out of the drain or the fill hole, that means we're good to go. It's topped off. Like that. It's like almost 1 in the morning. All complete. Brand new axles, brand new diff. We'll use diff, but brand new with the billet block, glitch packs. Now we just reverse the step, put all the wheels back, and take it for a test drive. Alright guys, so I just finished the car a couple days ago. I did a differential and some brand new axles. We're gonna be doing a drive along or ride along. See how everything goes. I'm gonna do a couple pulls. It's on 20 pounds right now, but we'll see if we keep it at that. And then I'll have my tuner come and adjust the tune here and there for like 30 pounds, maybe down the road. But yeah, let's get to it. Excuse the wind. We're about to go do a test drive on the new setup of the all-wheel drive. See how she does. Hey, this car feels super good, super fast. It's on 20 pounds right now. We'll do a hit real quick, see how it feels. I'm doing third gear pull right here in a second.